May bata po tayo naliligaw.
Ang bulis.
Ang bulis.
Tanga ang putik.
Nothing's gonna change my mind. I just do every single time. Nothing that compares to you.
No, nag-iinip. Pati yung nasa karinderiya. Pati yung karinderiya.
Cut the phone cords and attacked them before leaving with her. But other than that, all they had was the crime scene.
Uy, uy.
One of the first things that I did notice in the garage was a lot of blood. I knew at that point this was a very violent crime. You start thinking, are we going to bring her home alive?
Heather Randall, the detective assigned to the case, initially thought that maybe some of the blood around the kitchen.
Ay, video pa.